Apple's innovation cycle never sleeps. Every few years, the company doesn't just refine, it reimagines what an iPhone can be. And with the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, Apple is preparing for one of the most dramatic transformations in its history. Leaked reports, insider tips, and industry analysts all point toward one thing: a complete reinvention of both design and technology. The iPhone 18 series won't be just another upgrade. It's a quantum leap featuring under-display Face ID, a next-generation front camera, smarter on-device AI, enhanced efficiency, and the mind-blowing 2-nanometer A20 Pro chip. From the screen to the silicon, nothing will stay the same. This is Apple's boldest vision of what comes next. Under-display Face ID, the future finally arrives for years. Apple has dreamed of making the display itself disappear, and with the iPhone 18 Pro, that vision becomes reality. Gone are the notches. Gone is the dynamic island. Instead, Face ID sensors hide beneath the glass, creating a perfect edge-to-edge display. The only visible element may be a tiny camera hole in the upper left corner, giving users the cleanest, most futuristic iPhone front ever seen. This leap will redefine Apple's design language and push the iPhone into true all-screen territory. Display brilliance: thinner, brighter, smarter. The iPhone 18 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch panel, while the Pro Max stretches to 6.9 inches, both powered by OLED microlens technology and low-power display drivers. Apple is also testing micro-LED prototypes, though full rollout may wait until the iPhone 19. Even so, expect a Super Retina XDR display with up to 2,500 nits brightness, higher contrast, and ultra-smooth refresh rates. This will likely be the brightest, most energy-efficient, and most immersive display ever put on a smartphone. The dynamic island dilemma: here to stay or time to go? Since its debut on the iPhone 14 Pro, the dynamic island has become iconic. But with sensors hidden under glass, Apple might retire the hardware cutout altogether. However, insiders claim the dynamic island interface may survive, purely as a software element. Think of it as Apple's signature overlay, keeping continuity while embracing the cleaner look of a full-screen iPhone. The camera revolution. 48MP variable aperture mastery photography has always been Apple's crown jewel, and this time, the company is breaking boundaries. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to feature a 48-megapixel main sensor with variable aperture control, allowing users to fine-tune light intake for pro-level shots. Pair that with AI-driven light optimization, improved macro focus, low-light excellence, and 8K cinematic video, and you're looking at the most powerful iPhone camera ever built. The Pro Max may even pack a 10x optical periscope zoom, giving creators DSLR-like reach in their pocket. A20 Pro chip, the 2-nanometer AI beast inside. Apple's new A20 Pro chip takes performance to unimaginable levels. Built on TSMC's 2-nanometer process, it's not just smaller, it's smarter. This chip will deliver massive speed gains, better battery efficiency, and powerful AI computing. The upgraded neural engine will run Apple Intelligence natively, processing language translation, Siri commands, and photo enhancement directly on your device. It's faster, cooler, and more secure, the heart of Apple's AI revolution. Memory, storage, and speed. For the power users, for the first time ever, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could feature 12GB LPDDR5X RAM, with storage options ranging from 256GB to 2TB. Add PCIe 5.0 flash storage, and you get lightning-fast transfer speeds, ideal for 8K video editing, ProRes workflows, and AR applications. This is not just a phone. It's a pocket workstation, battery and charging, smarter, faster, stronger Apples. Introducing a silicon carbon composite battery, delivering 10-15% more battery life while keeping the form factor slim. Charging speeds are expected to hit 65W wired and 50W MagSafe wireless. Plus, reverse wireless charging for your AirPods or Apple Watch could finally arrive. That means all-day power and beyond, with charging speeds that finally rival Android flagships. Design evolution: titanium, curves, and color. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will refine Apple's titanium design even further. Lighter, thinner, and stronger than before. Expect curved edge glass, matte textures, and gorgeous new finishes. Titanium black, Arctic blue, natural titanium, and desert gold, with a special product red possibly joining later. The camera island could be smaller and more symmetrical, emphasizing Apple's minimalist, precise aesthetic. Connectivity. Apple's own 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 Apple is working on its custom 5G modem, potentially debuting with this series. Combined with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6E, and ultra-wideband 2.0, expect faster AirDrop, stronger Find My accuracy, and flawless ecosystem integration across Apple devices. iOS 20 plus Apple Intelligence. The AI revolution begins running on iOS 20. The iPhone 18 will introduce Apple's new AI ecosystem called Apple Intelligence. From real-time translation to context-aware Siri responses, photo organization, and smart text generation, this upgrade turns your iPhone into an intelligent assistant that learns from you, all while processing data privately on device. This is the foundation of Apple's AI-driven decade. Launch and pricing following Apple's tradition. The iPhone 18 series is expected to launch in September 2026. Projected prices. iPhone 18 Pro, starting at $999. iPhone 18 Pro Max, starting at $1,199. Given the leap in design and hardware, a slight price bump wouldn't be surprising. The future of the iPhone is finally here, and it's unlike anything Apple has ever built. Meet the iPhone 18 Pro Max 2026, powered by the next-gen A20 Pro 2nm chip, featuring under-display Face ID, AI-powered photography, and a radically new design that changes everything. From its stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display to its 48-megapixel variable aperture camera, 65W fast charging, and Apple Intelligence integration, this phone isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. In this video, we break down every major leak, design change, and performance boost coming to the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max, including A20 Pro chip, 2nm performance leap, under-display Face ID and ultra-thin bezels, 8K cinematic video and 10x optical zoom, IND, ease, IB, 30% better battery life and 65W charging, on-device Apple Intelligence AI revolution. Apple is redefining the smartphone experience, and this is your first look at how the iPhone 18 will dominate 2026. Final thoughts. The next chapter of Apple's legacy. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just another iPhone, it's the symbol of Apple's next era. With under-display Face ID, the A20 Pro chip, a revolutionary camera system, and Apple Intelligence built into its core, this device blends beauty, performance, and AI power like never before. As September 2026 approaches, one thing is crystal clear. The iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just an upgrade, it's the future of Apple itself.